You do magic.
Experience today.
Okay, people.
The Magic Kingdom is going to be open until 10 p.m. Our trainers are going to be running 90 minutes after park close to 11:30 p.m. So if you guys do want a ride back out to your car.
There used to be a show called Fantastic. It was before here, and then it got burned down. Fantastic.
So we'll have to wait for the next one.
How many of those balloons do you think you need to fly? This was really fun. We can send us TV on this.
I know, hold on. Stations. Report to the flight deck.
Shoot to the zoo. Shoot to the water sports and that. I can see them many things.
Okay.
Like this one now, see this? So you shoot those guys, It works on my spot. I went 20,000. So who was that?
Yeah.
Everybody want to make sense forward?
We're not even on yet.
What?
Yeah, we're not on. It's not that.
For what?
Yeah, we're in a line.
Everybody watch your head, watch your step. Use those handrails. And around that middle crate. Gotta make sure this boat is perfectly even and balanced. That way if we sink evenly. All right, my friends. I do it too. You're not be rude, you guys. I come out of the ugly ones too. Hi, skippers. Bye. I love you. Wave goodbye to my friends. Those ducks. Yay. Hey. Well, welcome aboard, everybody, to the world famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Skipper Abby. That is first name Skipper, last name Abby. Yeah, I'm really excited, guys, because for the next 5 years, I get to be your skipper, your guide, your friend, your pal, your confidant, dance instructor, backwards driver, and oh my gosh, most importantly, okay, this is so important, guys. Okay, if you don't laugh at anything I say, I am going to be your swim instructor, okay? Yeah, I don't know how to swim, so let's do a quick boat orientation, okay? I need everybody to look up. That's the top of the boat. Great, everybody look down. Falls. You know, some people have asked us what is so inspiring about inspiration and falls, so I will tell you. You know, guys, if we were to sit here and really stare at it, get a good look at all that water. Yeah. Oh yeah, eventually all of us are going to be so very inspired to go. No, deeper into the jungle, I mean. Sorry, guys, that's my number one joke. Look what they did to my truck. Painted blue. Ew. Oh. Okay, guys, I think it's really time we make like a banana. Get out of here. Yeah. Let's start moving down my favorite river now, the Nile River. Now, the Nile River is our longest river. You know, rumor has it, it actually goes on for Niles. And Niles. And Niles. And Niles. And Niles. And well, guess what, guys? Niles. Yeah, and if you don't believe me, you're probably in a boat. That's right. Good job, all. You're so close. That's okay. Now, down on the left is our African bull elephant. Now, fun fact about those guys, they are very talented creatures. Yeah, they can actually run up to speeds of 33 miles per hour, making them our fastest animal here in the jungle. I know, pretty cool. So if you look over there, just kidding. Okay, that was supposed to be another elephant. I told you they're really fast. Oh, but we can see my favorite celebrity my gosh. Oh my gosh, no one told me these guys were working today. Okay, well, these are my good friends. Just get in the back right there. We actually went to art school together. Yeah, people don't believe me. Yeah, but you can tell that he went to art school because he has weird hair and a paintbrush. Yeah, and you can tell I went to art school. Wonder of the world, the best night of water! Oh, dude. I'm sorry, guys. I know this chemistry jokes are pretty out of my element. Yeah, you just don't see that every day. Yeah, but I do. Yay! Hey, great news, guys. We made it through the Nile River, but we still have one more river to go through, and that is so we need all the attention I can get. I'm really not kidding. I want your set. Yeah, those funerals, my friends. If you enjoy the cruise.
All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic And so our journey comes to an end. But yours continues on. Grab hold of your dreams and make them come true. For you are the key to unlock your dreams, guys. Reach out and find your happily ever after.
The losses and all the glory were changed by the way we lived every day. Just look up every to the sky. We all have the courage to fly.
presented by Pandora Jewelry. Please enjoy the rest of your evening here at Magic Kingdom as you continue your journey to your happy ending act.
I love them. You look at me.
Guys, look at me.
Yeah, until you fall off. Hey. Wait, I want to see it. Wait, I forgot.
Far side of the boat, so keep moving all the way down into the boat. The closer you are to the other side of the boat, the closer you are to the exit. We also ask when the boat's in motion that you do not sit, stand, or play on the stairs at any time. Once again, we ask that you do not sit, stand, or play on the stairs at any time, especially when the vessel's in motion.
1 mile across the man-made 7-season river, which took almost 3 years to excavate. We do ask that while on board, the stairs remain clear while the boat is in motion. Once again, welcome aboard.